I have found some great African children's stories to use with my class. Now I need to start the preparations of the activities that I'm going to do with my grades. That's grade 1s, 2s, and 3s.
The focus of all the lesson activities is built around an African children's story. To ensure everyone will be able to see the story text, Charity writes out the sentences onto a large piece of paper. If you do not have any chart paper, write the story on the board in your classroom. In the grade 1 whole class activity, the children will match the pictures to the words of the story. To prepare for this activity, Charity will need to cut the text of the story out of the photocopied storybook and put the pictures and the text into 2 separate envelopes. The grade 2s and 3s will be divided into 3 groups according to their reading and writing ability. This means that Charity will need to prepare 3 different reading and writing activities. She will also need to make sure she has prepared all the resources that each group will need. Each child in the red group will take a word card and then select the correct letters to build the word. For this activity, Charity will need to choose and cut out words from the English version of the story I enjoy. Glue the words onto slips of paper or cardboard. Cut out lots and lots of large individual letters from the newspapers or magazines. Store the cut letters into a jar or plastic container. Each learner in the blue group will choose a picture and then match the correct sentence to the picture. Learners will also participate writing the sentence that they have chosen to make their own picture. For this activity, Charity will need to select sentences from the English version of the story I enjoy. Cut them and paste them onto a slip of paper and store the accompanying story pictures in a separate envelope. The green group will choose an activity picture from an old newspaper or magazine. For example, a picture of someone running, playing soccer, watching TV, or washing the car. Each learner in the group has to write an English sentence describing the activity. For this activity, Charity will need to prepare a set of pictures showing different activities cut out from magazines and newspapers and put into an envelope. Preparation took a bit of time, but the only way to manage big classes successfully is to plan and prepare properly ahead of time. Charity double-checks that she has everything prepared, the pictures and words for the grade 1s and the resources for the 3 grade 2 and 3 ability groups so that each group can work at their own level. After this lesson, Charity will collect up all the resources that she has prepared. She will keep them safe in separate, clearly marked envelopes. This way, she can reuse or even adapt them for another lesson. In the next video, we will see how Charity implements the planned activities in her multi-grade literacy class using all the resources that she has prepared.